The pros and cons of optical versus laser mice. Title: The pros and cons of optical versus laser mice. Introduction. Mice have become an essential part of our computer experience, allowing us to navigate through digital realms effortlessly. When it comes to choosing the right mouse, two of the most prevalent options are optical mice and laser mice. Both have their distinctive features and advantages, but also come with their fair share of drawbacks. In this article, we will delve into the pros and cons of optical mice and laser mice, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Optical mice. Optical mice use LED, light-emitting diode, lights to track movement. These mice take snapshots of the surface beneath them and use the contrast between consecutive snapshots to detect movement. Here are some pros and cons of using optical mice. Pros. 1. Precision. Optical mice are known for their precision. They offer enhanced tracking accuracy, making them ideal for tasks that require fine-grained movements, such as graphic designing or photo editing. The high p-dots per inch resolution of optical mice ensures smooth cursor movement and precise control. 2. Compatibility. Optical mice work on most surfaces, including cloth mouse pads and uneven surfaces. This makes them highly versatile and suitable for various working environments and settings. 3. Cost-effectiveness. Compared to laser mice, optical mice are generally more affordable. They are widely available in different price ranges, making them an accessible option for individuals on a budget. 4. Moderate power consumption. Optical mice consume less power compared to laser mice, making them a better choice for users concerned about battery life. This feature is particularly beneficial for laptop users who rely on wireless or battery-powered mice. Cons. 1. Limited surface sensitivity. Optical mice may struggle on high-gloss or transparent surfaces, as the LED lights may reflect and cause tracking issues. This limitation may be a nuisance for users who prefer using glass or reflective mouse pads. 2. Lower tracking speed. Optical mice have a lower tracking speed compared to laser mice. This can result in less responsive cursor movement, especially for gamers or users who require swift and accurate movements. Laser mice. Laser mice utilize laser diodes to track movement, enabling them to achieve higher sensitivity and precision compared to optical mice. Here are the pros and cons of using laser mice. Pros. 1. Increased tracking sensitivity. Laser mice offer superior sensitivity, allowing for smoother and faster tracking. The higher P resolution of laser mice enables precise and fluid cursor movement, making them suitable for tasks that require speed and accuracy, such as gaming and video editing. 2. Enhanced surface compatibility. Unlike optical mice, laser mice can work flawlessly on almost any surface, including glass, metal, and high-gloss surfaces. This versatility eliminates the need for a specialized mouse pad, offering greater convenience and flexibility. 3. High tracking speed. Laser mice have a higher tracking speed compared to optical mice, enabling users to move the cursor quickly across the screen. This feature is highly advantageous for gamers and users engaged in fast-paced activities. Cons. 1. Cost. While prices have reduced over the years, laser mice tend to be more expensive compared to optical mice. This can be a deterrent for budget-conscious users, especially if they do not require the higher sensitivity and accuracy offered by laser mice. 2. Power consumption. Laser mice consume more power compared to optical mice, which can be an issue for those who prioritize battery life or have limited access to power outlets. Frequent battery changes or reliance on wired connections may be necessary for laser mouse users. 3. Detailed surface required. Due to their increased sensitivity, laser mice may not perform optimally on rough or uneven surfaces. This means that using a quality mouse pad is often necessary to ensure accurate tracking and prevent erratic cursor movement. Optical mice have been a popular choice among computer users for their precision and compatibility. These mice use LED lights to track movement, capturing snapshots of the surface beneath them to detect motion. One of the biggest advantages of optical mice is their precision. They offer enhanced tracking accuracy, making them ideal for tasks that require fine movements, such as graphic designing or photo editing. The high P resolution ensures smooth cursor movement and precise control. Additionally, optical mice are highly compatible and work on most surfaces, including cloth mouse pads and uneven surfaces. This versatility makes them suitable for various working environments. Her advantage of optical mice is their cost-effectiveness. Compared to laser mice, optical mice are generally more affordable and available in different price ranges. This accessibility makes optical mice a viable option for individuals on a budget. In terms of power consumption, optical mice have a moderate power consumption, making them a better choice for users concerned about battery life. This feature is particularly beneficial for laptop users who rely on wireless or battery-powered mice. However, optical mice do have some drawbacks. They may struggle on high-gloss or transparent surfaces as the LED lights may reflect and cause tracking issues. This limitation can be frustrating for users who prefer using glass or reflective mouse pads. On the other hand, laser mice utilize laser diodes to track movement, offering higher sensitivity and precision compared to optical mice. One of the major advantages of laser mice is their increased tracking sensitivity, allowing for smoother and faster tracking. The higher P resolution enables precise and fluid cursor movement, making them ideal for tasks that require speed and accuracy, such as gaming and video editing. Laser mice also have enhanced surface compatibility, working flawlessly on almost any surface, including glass, metal, and high-gloss surfaces. This versatility eliminates the need for a specialized mouse pad, offering greater convenience and flexibility. Another advantage of laser mice is their high tracking speed, allowing users to move the cursor quickly across the screen. This feature is highly advantageous for gamers and users engaged in fast-paced activities. However, laser mice do come with their own set of drawbacks. Cost is one of the factors to consider as laser mice tend to be more expensive compared to optical mice. This can be a deterrent for budget-conscious users who may not require the higher sensitivity and accuracy offered by laser mice. Power consumption is another drawback of laser mice, as they consume more power compared to optical mice. This can be an issue for those who prioritize battery life or have limited access to power outlets. Frequent battery changes or reliance on wired connections may be necessary for laser mouse users. Furthermore, laser mice require a detailed surface to perform optimally. They may not work well on rough or uneven surfaces, necessitating the use of a quality mouse pad to ensure accurate tracking.